Hey, Dad, you want to have a catch?
I'd like that.
Getting ready for the ceremonial first pitch here. Saw some of the legends come in, and Fergie Jenkins, Johnny Bench. So two of the legends that came in through the cornfield and right. All the fans made their way to the stadium through there as well. We're going to get a chance to visit with those two guys later tonight. May 26, we lost renowned actor Ray Liotta, who played Shoeless Joe, of course, in Field of Dreams, and who better than Kevin Costner to pay tribute to him.
When Ray died back in May, I reminisced about how our batting practice moment together was not a stunt. It was real, and it happened as you saw it. I said that God gave us that stunt that night, and now God has Ray.
Yeah, you can hit the curveball.
Long live Shoeless Joe, and long live Ray.
Senzel backhands it shy of the track. Here comes Wisdom. Relay to the plate. Cut off, and the Cubs strike first. Well, he shows some of that power, going out and getting that, and yanking it into the gap to make it 1-0.
Yeah, that's what he was doing in batting practice. He had a simple approach, simple swing. Now, again, it's batting practice. You get in the game, and he got one over the plate that he liked.
He lifts this one into left. That's going to duck in for a hit in front of Almora. His throw to the plate is not in time, and the Cubs with a 2-out burst to make it 2-0.
Well, the Cubs coming into this game as a team were not very good with runners in scoring position. And in this first inning, with 2 outs, they've gotten 2 big hits.
What a year it's been for Ian Happ. He serves one up the middle for a base hit. Third in a row for the Cubs with 2 gone. Tries to turn it into a double. Senzel's throws late. 3-0. Drew Smyly's coming off his best start as a Cub. 6 2/3 shutout innings against the Marlins, and he plunks India. Ouch.
Tell you what, if you're sitting at home, this is painful. I mean, there's no protection for that. You really can't brace for it. It's just below the knee, and you know they say don't let them see you. Oh, don't let them see you hurt. Well, that's hard to let them not see you hurt. You get a little limp and you get to first base and you're trying your best to get that thing's going to tighten up as the game goes on.
Man, oh man, you got that shin guard, but it only covers a few inches and missed that by a few inches. Out in front, 1 gone. And our production crew does such a wonderful job showing it, but man, you feel something when you're here.
See it at the plate. That means the hitter can't see it at the plate.
Great question, great story. In the All-Star game, and nice little inside fastball for a strikeout. You're going to have trouble with that hard slider. Let's play 2, and there's finally we're going to have a scoreless inning.
0-2 pitch. Down swinging. He did it down the middle to get it looking.
Great pitch selection out of his hand.
This time he gets the swing in the miss, and after the first 2 each for the Reds, 3 consecutive strikeouts.
For this particular game, for this day, for this moment, it is absolutely worth it, and it's, I think, one of the most special days of my Major League career.
It's a walk for Contreras. Yeah, let him know. Don't say anything that you shouldn't. Right? Joey, they say that you're one of the best conversations down there at first base. Who are some of your favorite conversations down there?
There's too many. There's too many. Usually it's let me tell you something. Whenever Wilson's here, he is so grumpy. He is so grumpy. He won't talk to me. And so I usually have to tell him how good of a swing it was, how much I like his game, how happy I am for him and his brother. Congratulations.
Patrick Wisdom brings one through the left side. And Contreras spills as he turns second and in some pain. Doing his best to walk it off.
I feel good. And he said, you look good, keep going. And I said, how long did you play till? And he said, 41. And I said, how'd you feel? He goes, well, I thought I could have played till I was 43. And I said, you have any advice? He said, have fun. And I'm having a great time. I want to keep playing. Thanks for the time, guys. I got to go hit maybe a homer.
That way.
Do it, Joey.
Go get him.
You are a great representative of this game. Thank you for doing this. Strikeout, Farmer, 2 gone in the third.
But if you can get out of the same lane of release point like that, they can't lay off of it.
Around in the 1890s, the old Baltimore Orioles. Hits the ball to center field. Senzel plays it on a bounce. And the Cubs lead 4-0 as Velasquez comes in to score. That kind of swing will work in any air.
Yes, you got a breaking ball up over the plate.
Contreras swats this one to right. Aquino will make the grab. Third. Here's a great throw to get him.
That man, I think, had 6 putouts, but 5 putouts at home plate. He has a cannon.
Wow, Aristides Aquino.
And it's
Did he go? Yes, he did. It's a little different. And then the way the sun was in the first couple innings, it was like looking back. I had a really nice route on that Votto ball, didn't I? Such a beautiful place, and you know, I got to play in Des Moines for a while, and the baseball fans in Iowa, how much they love the game. It's awesome. It's a really great baseball state. Yeah, you know, kind of a change second half of last year in approach and confidence. I actually went from a 34 from the right side to a 33 and a half, and that made a big difference for me, just in back control from the right side.
Well, we appreciate you spending some time with us. Enjoy tonight, okay?
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Little hobby next to golf. Yeah. Strike 3 called. Doyle's got 4 of those looking today for the 5 total. Back foot's the breaker to get him. 2 gone in the 5th. He will finish his night with his 6th strikeout. Back in a moment. Swing and a miss. 9th strikeout for Smiley. Up the 2nd goes Reynolds. Lifts this ball in the air to center field for Christopher Morel, and that ends the inning.
All right, let me hear you. Good and loud. On 1, on 2, on 3. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I ever get back. Oh, it's room for me. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes around until
center field. That'll get the job done for the Reds. It scoots its way all the way to the edge of the track. It'll score 2. It's a 4-2 game. Matt Reynolds off of the bench tonight. 2 for 2, and he's cut the Reds' deficit in half.
You just never know when your number's going to be called. Come to the park, get prepared, be ready, and certainly that theme kind of fits Matt Reynolds because he has come up huge and brought the Reds right back into it.
Will Contreras be a part of it? Fly to right center field. Long run for Almora, who gets there with a slide to make the catch. Another 3-2. Back to the breaking ball to finish the night. The Cubs take the Field of Dreams game 4-2 over the Reds.
What a great night. And like I said, these two teams may not be going at the end of the year where they want to. This game will stick with their memory. It won't, you know, everyone wants to win, but they're going to remember the memory of this game more than anything. And I sure am.